Hi, today I will be showing you how to convert Word to PDF. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. Let's start. So I will be showing you at least two methods today on how to convert Word to PDF. And the first thing that you can do here is just go directly to your Microsoft and then go to Save As. Once you tap Save As, then you will see the option below right here. And one of the options below is the PDF file. So if you want to convert your Microsoft, just go to Save As, scroll down here, look for PDF file, and then after that, tap on Save, then go to that location, and basically it will just convert your Word to your PDF. Now, if you don't have that option on your Microsoft Word, then it's time to use a third-party application or platform here. So on your web browser, what you're going to do is you have to basically look for convert Word to PDF. Okay, so just follow this one. And if you scroll down here, there are tons of tools, websites, and links where you can convert your Word to PDF, same as PDF to Word. But this time, let's look for how to convert your Word to PDF right here. And as you can see, there are tons of links, sites, and tools that you can use. So for example, this one right here, what you're going to do is just select the Word file from your computer, upload, and then you have to click or tap on Convert to PDF. After that, you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is converting. And here it is. What you're going to do next is tap on the Download PDF right here, go to your download folder, double click, and here it is. So basically, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.